All right, let's draw this back. We are drawing the upper back, the shoulder connection. All right, so let's do this. I'm drawing this with pen, keeping it loose. This is supposed to be a study. Now, where did I get the reference from? It's from my very own Creation of Man book. Let's check it out. It's a 450-page book on anatomy and figure drawing madness. If you put on that Sherlock Holmes hat, you can investigate any issue you might have with your anatomy or your figure drawing in this book. Back to the tutorial. Check this out. We got the shoulder drawn in. It's attaching to the scapula and to the humerus. I'm switching colors and now I'm drawing the tricep. Yes. As you can tell, it's attaching to the scapula as well as the humerus. Now I'm drawing the lateral side and now the medial side of the tricep. It's sped up, obviously. I want to keep this video short. I'm drawing the teres major now from the scapula to the humerus. Teres major, color change. Teres minor from the scapula to the upper part of the humerus. Color change, the infraspinatus, baby. From the ridge of the scapula all the way to the top of the humerus. Now I'm drawing the trapezius muscle. Notice how it wraps around various aspects of the scapula and your column, your spinal column, and there's your 7 cervical vertebrae. The trapezius has several sections. Now I'm coloring it, leaving a little highlight, easier for the eye. Putting in the rhomboid. Attaching now the lat muscle, which is very bat-like, like a wing's bat, the way it attaches to the spinal column and wraps around and goes up into the humerus. So now we're going to draw the female back here in a second as I finish this male back. And you can pause and see the names right here. Now to the female. A little different, a little more streamlined. The male's more like a truck, the female's more like a Corvette. There's more rhythm in the female. So the anatomy is more arithmetic. Now that we saw in the other one, like the attachments, I'm gonna go ahead and just draw over the forms here. So I drew the forms and look how quickly I laid in the musculature. That big shadow that makes that sharp triangular shape. That's the scapula. Just colored it yellow right now, yellow orange, green, pink for the teres minor, green for the teres major, blue for the infraspinatus, the deltoid, and the trapezius, or that flesh tone kind of color. The latissimus dorsi is the blue. And look, boom. So why do we need anatomy? So we can draw our comics. This is one of my comic book characters, Solar Pup. And then here's my other comic book character, Rafchax. Look at the shoulder, teres major, trapezius, you got the striations. That's why we learn anatomy, so we can do our comics, so we can do our animation, so we can make badass art. This has been JC Barba with another video tutorial. Look forward to the channel. Every single week, new videos are being posted. Peace.
Let go of your earthly tether.